Hi, this is Tess with Tax Education Services. Today, I'm going to show you how to register for a self-study course on our website. Once you've made it your way to our home page, you're going to find the tab that says Self-Study. That will bring you to a list of courses that we offer for self-study. Remember, these courses are on demand. You can watch whenever it's convenient for you and still receive credit. Today, I'm going to sign up for the Self-Study Ethics for Return Preparers course, taught by Richard Russell. I'm going to click the green Attend Online button, and that will add it to my cart. It has a reminder that says you are not registered yet. When you're finished adding seminars to your shopping cart, click here to check out. That will bring me to the page that shows me what I will owe. I'm going to click green Proceed to Checkout. That will lead me to a page that will prompt me to add my address and credit card information. Once I've added those, I will press the green Purchase button. From there, it will take me to a page that confirms my registration, and it will also send me an email confirmation. Thanks for watching.